Well, good morning. This is the time set for the hearing on the adoption of regulations R121-20. My name is Marla McDade-Williams. I'm the Deputy Director of Programs at the Nevada Department of Health and Human Services. Linda Fox is present to go over the regulations prior to adoption, and it appears that everyone is ready to go. So I will proceed with the agenda. The plan is to have public comment open, just general public comment, and then Linda will go through in agenda item 2, do a brief presentation again of what the regulations do, and we will allow the public to ask questions if needed after she concludes her presentation. So I see a few more people connecting now. I'll wait for them to, that get all the way in. So again, I would like to open the meeting with public comment. Is there anyone who has public comment at this time that's not directly related to the regulations? And I think you can unmute yourself. You can raise your hand. This is Zoom. Nobody's on camera, so I can't see anyone, but if you do have comments, please feel free to unmute yourself and go ahead. All right, I'm not seeing anything. So Ms. Fox, would you please proceed with agenda item 2?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. So I'm just going to review kind of briefly like we did at the workshop what these proposed changes include. And this is a brief summary, but Jessica is going to post in the chat the complete regulations. So sections 2 to 6 of the proposed amendment define terms related to reporting information relating to prescription drugs. Section 7 of the proposed regulations sets forth the process for the appointment of hearing officers. Section 8 of the proposed regulations sets forth the process for notification of the imposition of an administrative penalty. Section 9 of the proposed regulation sets forth the process for an appeal of the imposition of an administrative penalty. Sections 10 through 12 of the proposed regulation sets forth the process for a hearing and a decision on the appeal of the imposition of an administrative penalty. Section 1314 of the proposed regulation adds the term wholesaler to NAC 439.730, 439.735, and makes conforming changes pursuant to SB 380 from the 81st session of the Nevada Legislature. Section 15 makes conforming changes to NAC 439.740 pursuant to SB 380 from the 81st session of the Nevada Legislature. Are there any questions about that? I think that is a pretty brief summary. Actually, Marla, I don't know, am I allowed to take questions at this point?
Yeah, we can take questions. So again, I'm not seeing any hands raised, not seeing anybody trying to unmute. I will move on to agenda item 3, adoption of regulations contained in LCB file number R121-20. Pursuant to authority under NRS 439B.685, and on behalf of the Department of Health and Human Services, I hereby adopt regulation LCB file number R121-20. Is there any public comment? Well, thank you. That was short and sweet. We did this under 5 minutes. I hope everyone has a good day. We are adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you.